So for those of you who want to have your pool equipment covered but are very frustrated that the walls of the cover get in the way of working on the pool equipment, I created this movable pool cover. It sits on tracks that are ordinary tracks for gates, entry gates on driveways, and that roll across on the V-shaped gate track. And I'll show you how it works. You can see the tracks coming out from underneath the cover, and you just simply put your hand on the cover here and roll it back to where it stops, and you can see that all the equipment is there, and it's totally accessible. Filter, pumps, electrical, the whole works. I built the cover out of 1/2-inch pipe, and I don't know if you can see it in there, but I've created kind of a cage type situation on 3 sides and a top out of 1/2-inch pipe. The tricky part on this, you do have to use couplings, some couplings and lengths of pipe that have a left-hand thread on them in order to make the whole thing work. So anyway, I just wanted to show you what I've done to create a cover that is movable, leaving your pump equipment totally accessible to work on. And very easily, you just with 2 fingers can roll this thing back. Covers up the filter, the pumps, and everything, and keep the sun off it. And it works great. Just thought I'd let you know. That's it.